Today we are going to make a copycat version of the Starbucks Sous Vide egg bites. I will link below a recipe for 5 egg bite variations. In this video, I will be making the sausage mushroom Swiss variety. Let's begin by browning up the sausage. For this variation, you will need 4 eggs, a half a cup of cottage cheese, a half a cup of Swiss cheese, 1/4 of a cup of sausage, a 1/4 of a cup of mushrooms, and a 1/4 of a cup of green onions. These Instapot made egg bites are just like the sous vide ones you can enjoy at Starbucks. Just 2 of them will cost you about $5 at Starbucks, but by making them at home in your electric pressure cooker, you will save lots of money and can totally customize them with your favorite flavors. In order to make these, you will need to get a silicone accessory. I got mine on Amazon for around $9. You will also need a blender in order to give these bites the air they need to turn light and fluffy. Place 4 eggs into the blender. Add the cottage cheese and the Swiss cheese and process until smooth. Add the green onions, mushrooms, and sausage, and quickly pulse just a couple times to combine. Divide the egg mixture evenly between the compartments of the silicone mold. Add 1 cup of water into the Instapot and place the trivet. Place the lid on the Instapot and be sure that the vent is set to ceiling. Press the steam button and set the timer to 10 minutes. Once the cooking time is up, allow the pressure to release naturally for 10 minutes and then release any remaining pressure before opening. Remove the silicone mold from the Instapot and allow the egg whites to cool for a few minutes before enjoying.